Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can remove a family member from your account on Cozi or in the Cozi application. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the Cozi app, for example, via mobile or web version. Next, log into your account and click into your family settings on the left hand side. Here, what you want to do is go through the family member settings, click into the given family member's name. And at the bottom, you will see this option, remove this family member. Click into it. However, guys, as you can see, for this example account here, that's the only user or family member. So you can only remove the family member if there is still one family member left in the group or in the family, so that the given person can be receive email notifications and manage and organize the family account here. So guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.